Hey guys, it's Nicole from Red Dog Realty. Today I'm in Latham, New York with my client. Today is final walkthrough. So this home is sold as of today, but my clients are repeat clients and they called me up this time and said, Nicole, I'm looking for a house with a lot of characteristic, a lot of charm, kind of feels like my grandmother's house. This is the home, 5 Blue Creek. Let me show you the wagon wheel light up there. Behind me is this old-fashioned phone on the wall, and even built-in ovens that are old school, trash compressor, compactor right there. It's just a beautiful property. Latham, New York. If you're looking to get into a home, we have a home for you, so give me a call.